Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve Leetcode 1, that is twosum. Given an integer array nums and an integer target, return the indices of the two numbers that such that they add up to target. Okay. So it is given that you may assume each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use same element twice. So we are going to use dictionary for solving this question. So let's say this is our given array, okay, and let's say the target is 26. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a dictionary, okay, and use it properly. So let's take, we'll iterate through each element in the array and we will find by adding what to each element we get 26. If that is found in the dictionary, we will return the indices. Okay, so how to do it? So let's start a loop. Suppose I equal to here, by adding what to 26 by adding what to 2 we get 26. So we take a variable more equal to 26 minus 2. So by adding 24 to our 2 we get 26. Now we will check is 24 is in our dictionary or not. So as of now our dictionary dictionary is empty, therefore it is not found. So what we will do is we will insert the current element 2 in the dictionary with the value of the index as our value. Okay, now next I comes here at 7. By adding what to 7 we get 26. So we will create 27 minus 6, that is 19. Is 19 in our dictionary? No, therefore we will insert 7, not 19. We will insert the array element 7 with its index in our dictionary. Okay, now I comes here. So by adding what to 11 we get 26. 26 minus 11 equal to 15. So by adding 15 to 11 we get 26. Is 15 in our dictionary? No, therefore we insert 11 in our dictionary with its index. Okay, now I has come here 15. By adding what to 15 we get 26. By 26 minus 15 equal to 11. Is 11 in our dictionary? Yes, 11 is in our dictionary. So we will return the value of it. That means the name of the dictionary is D, so D of more and its I, that means the index. Okay, by this process we will solve this problem using a dictionary. So I hope you understand the question, that if at the current index by adding what to this element we get the target. If that is found in the dictionary we return the index and I, and if it is not present in the dictionary we insert the current element with its index in our dictionary. So let's try to code it. So first we will create our dictionary D equal to dictionary. Okay, so for I in range len of nums. Okay, we will iterate through each element in the nums array. We first need to find what is the element that we need to find. That means we need to find more. So we'll create a variable more equal to target minus nums of I. Okay, so it will store by adding what value to our current element we get the target. So if this more is found in our dictionary we will return d of more and integer I, and if it is not, we are storing that current value with its index. So d of nums of I is stored by using value I, and if the solution is not found, by exiting from the loop we may return -1 and -1. So let's try to run it. Okay, it has accepted the test cases. Now let's try to submit. Yes, the test cases have passed and answer is accepted. So if you have understood the problem and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.